Hey everyone, Adam here doing the morning watch list for you. Let's talk about the market real quick. We've seen a nice bull run going on. We've had like 4 down days in the last couple of weeks, so that's been very strong for the bulls. Last week during OPEX or option expiration week, which can get a little hairy, we saw a nice run. All dips were getting bought intraday. They're getting bought daily, so we're definitely on a bullish run here. Don't be too eager to short going forward. If we get a pullback to the 1297, that's just going to be making the charts look better for the bulls. Even a pullback to that 20-day moving average, which is the typical level we like to see after a big run up, is still bullish. I wouldn't actually look to short here. So maybe we break below that 20-day moving average, maybe start going around to these other support zones. Until then, I'm hitting the shorts on this. I'm hitting the longs on this one, just to go with the trend. Our first one is a date. Trying to test that 50-day moving average. Look for it to take out the highs. Could run after this, at least to the 785s. Heat. This is a thin play. It's a penny stock, so be careful going into this one. It's got a nice little resistance here at 55. Look for it to take out that level, and you could at least run 6-7 cents. Zynga is an IPO stock that's been beaten down since its release, as we can see. Starting to put in a little resistance here. Look for it to take it at the 921 level, and maybe we can see a run out of this bad boy. SXC, another IPO stock being beaten down. Starting to flag a little bit. Look for it to take at that level. Maybe we at least see a run back up to the 1419, 1420 level. CBK, trying to get above that 20-day moving average. It tried Friday. It had a quick pop. I'm not sure what that was for. Probably some news event, but look for it to take out that level again, and then we can at least see a test of the 50-day moving average. PVA, we're going to call this one a support buy. Looks like it's hitting multiple levels of support down here. It's oversold a bit, and the volume's starting to come back in on the buy side, so we could see a run back into the 20 and the 50-day moving average on that one. BKS, this bad boy's been beaten down over and over, but we're seeing like it could get some strength and start filling this gap. Be careful with this 20-day moving average coming around, because that's going to be our first level of resistance. ESIO, flagging here over the 200-day moving average. Not a lot of support zones or resistance zones above. Got a lot of room to run. Zip, looks like it's going to finally test this 50-day moving average. It's got a nice range break before it does. It's building up some strength here. I like this one. ZAG, another IPO stock that's been beaten down. Look for it to break this range or this flag it's got going on. Con, a flag in here or on the 50 and the 20-day moving average. Look for it to take out that level. BCRX, another flag after this big run up. This is a good consolidation. It's a low volume flag. It's a thin stock, so be careful on this one. P-Wave, looks like it might finally try to get above this 50-day moving average. It's been below it for a very long time now, and we're starting to see it come down and flatten out a bit. So it could finally break above this thing. We're starting to see some volume coming in. It's coming out of the oversold territory. BBCN is a bank stock, so don't expect anything big or monumental out of it, but it is looking to test the 52-week high. So look for a breakout of that 1040 level. GTIV, this bad boy has been running up on this 20-day moving average for a long time now. It looks to be putting in another range. Look at 790. It's got some strong resistance over here too, so look for a breakout of that level. If you want to swing this one, you can buy it on the 20-day moving average, another test of it, and get a better risk reward. Zillow, another broke down IPO. It's starting to flag here at 2830. It's getting kind of messier here, so be careful of your support and resistance zones. OWW, nice little range going on the 20-day moving average. This one could at least pop back up over here to the 455s, 450 area. ELX, I got a nice ascending triangle, a little flag here. And look for it to take out that 878 level. Could at least see a run back to the 898. It's not a very good risk reward on this one, so be careful. BGC, kind of messy with all these overnight gaps, but we are seeing a nice little flag, a little range right here. So look for a takeout of that level. HOLI, flagging here at the 200-day moving average. This is a strong one. You see it's ran up and then it's flagged down, then it's ran up and it's flagged down, it's ran up and it's flagged. Kind of looks like the S&P right now, so watch that one for a break of that level. PacSun, looks like it's going to take out this 178 level. Definitely could run all the way back to the 193s.